The Dodge Viper, a name synonymous with American muscle and raw performance, continues to captivate car enthusiasts, even years after production ended. Although the final Viper rolled off the assembly line in 2017, the legendary sports car still finds itself grabbing attention for various reasons, ranging from its drag racing prowess to its historical significance. But this time, it's all about a jaw-dropping retouch to one of its most iconic variants, the 1996 Dodge Viper GTS. This Viper GTS, modified with care and attention, stands out with a striking appearance that pushes the boundaries of its original design. The car is dressed in a bright, eye-catching orange color, a bold choice that one might expect from a Lamborghini rather than the muscle car icon, the Dodge Viper. The vibrant hue, however, isn't the only thing that grabs attention. It's the bold racing stripes running the entire length of the car, from the front bumper to the rear, covering the hood, roof, trunk lid, and rear bumper. These racing stripes bring a sense of speed even when the car is at a standstill. But the transformation doesn't stop there. The Viper GTS is equipped with an oversized rear wing, painted black for a dramatic contrast that adds to its aggressive stance. This wing, paired with other black elements like the vented hood, further highlights the car's racing heritage and high-performance nature. Speaking of which, the Viper's custom wheels, crafted by HRE, are a work of art. Sporting a black, multi-spoke design, these wheels also feature bright orange rivets that match the car's bold color scheme. The brake calipers, also in orange, are another eye-catching detail that aligns perfectly with the custom design. The exterior of this Viper GTS exudes a racy, track-ready persona, and the smoked headlights add a further touch of menace. However, it's the interior that provides a surprising contrast. While the exterior of this Viper is a riot of color, the interior is more subdued, featuring a mix of black leather and alcantara, with subtle orange stitching that ties in with the exterior color scheme. The interior layout is classic 1990s, reminding us that this model hails from a bygone era, when cars were simple yet impactful in design. Underneath its updated, beautiful exterior, this 1996 Viper GTS is still powered by the original 8.0-liter V10 engine, which was known for producing an impressive 450 horsepower when it was first released. This massive engine is the heart and soul of the Viper, and it continues to deliver thrilling performance even by today's standards. As much as we love this retouched Dodge Viper GTS, it's a shame that the car's modern successor, the Viper, has been discontinued. Despite this, the soul of the Viper lives on in stunning custom builds like this one. For those lucky enough to own a piece of Viper history, they have a car that's as fast as it is beautiful, blending modern design elements with the raw, untamed spirit of the original. While Dodge may no longer be focusing on the Viper, this magical retouch reminds us why the Viper will always hold a special place in the hearts of car lovers. The spirit of this exotic muscle car continues to shine, no matter how many years pass.